L200 PRO MAX Drone 4K UHD Camera, 2-axis Gimbal, GPS, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and long-range FPV. Take your aerial experience to new heights with the L200 PRO MAX, a high-performance GPS drone packed with professional-grade features in a foldable, travel-friendly design. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD wide-angle camera, 2-axis mechanical gimbal, and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. This intelligent quadcopter delivers cinematic-level footage, smooth flight control, and enhanced safety, making it ideal for content creators, hobbyists, and pros alike. Whether you're shooting cinematic landscapes, tracking fast-moving subjects, or exploring remote areas, the L200 PRO MAX is engineered to meet your every need. Key features: true 4K UHD front camera plus 720p bottom camera. The drone features a 4K 3840x2160p front camera with 100 degrees wide-angle lens, and a 720p bottom camera for multiple perspectives and advanced optical flow positioning. Capture every shot in rich detail and stunning clarity. 2-axis gimbal stabilization system. Say goodbye to shaky videos. The mechanical gimbal stabilizes the camera during flight, ensuring smooth, professional-grade footage even during complex maneuvers or windy conditions. 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. Optional. Fly with confidence using smart laser sensors that detect obstacles up to 25 meters away in all directions. Avoid collisions and enjoy safer flights, perfect for tight or complex environments. GPS smart flight modes. Enjoy intelligent features like one-key return, low battery auto return, lost signal return, and GPS tracking. Plus, enable intelligent waypoint flight, fixed point surround, and follow me mode for hands-free operation and advanced cinematic shots. Gesture recognition and smart shooting. Use hand gestures from 1 to 3 meters away to capture photos or videos effortlessly. Ideal for selfies, vlogging, and quick creative captures without needing to use the remote. Long flight range and duration. Control distance. Up to 3,000 meters in open environments. Image transmission distance. Up to 1,500 meters, real-time FPV via app. Flight time. Up to 25 minutes with the powerful 7.4 volts 1,600 mAh lithium battery. Powerful brushless motors. Equipped with 1503 brushless motors, offering quieter, longer-lasting performance with increased wind resistance and flight stability. Compact and foldable design. Fold the arms and gimbal into a compact size for easy portability. Weighing only 216 grams, it's lightweight enough to fly in many regions without registration. Dual control modes. Operate via 2.4 GHz remote control with a 4.3 built-in LCD screen or through your smartphone using the dedicated app for live FPV streaming, GPS tracking, and smart flight settings. Supports SD card storage. Compatible with SD cards from 32 GB to 128 GB, allowing you to store high-resolution images and 4K videos directly from the drone. What's in the box? One L200 PRO MAX drone. With or without obstacle avoidance. Optional. One obstacle avoidance module. Optional. One remote controller with rechargeable battery. 7.4 volts 1,600 mAh Li-ion battery. Pre-installed in drone. One USB charging cable. 8 spare propeller blades. 4 screws. 1 screwdriver. One user manual. 1 storage bag, for select kits. Advanced functions overview. GPS positioning and return to home. Gesture control, photo, video. Fixed point surround, waypoint route planning. LED navigation lights. Adjustable camera via remote, 80 to 90 degrees. App control and real-time FPV. Photo, video sharing with background music. Why choose the L200 PRO MAX? If you're looking for a drone that strikes the perfect balance between professional performance and ease of use, the L200 PRO MAX offers features typically found in high-end models at a competitive price. From its 4K dual camera system to its laser-powered obstacle detection, it's built for users who want more than just a toy drone. Whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or a professional, the L200 PRO MAX is a smart investment in aerial creativity and safety.